it's time that I do something to this hair. What in the world is OMG? I like to save on the pennies. I like to save on the coins. And I'm going to go ahead and try to do something a little different with this. Hopefully I can fix that patch. Like, what is that? I got a lot of hair stuff today in this bag. And I figured it's time for me to do something to this hair. Since I've had my fro, I probably comb this hair like once every 2 to 3 weeks. I know it's really bad. I am so low maintenance when it comes to my hair, and I'm trying to up my game level a little bit. I wanted to change up the color of my hair today. I'm going to go ahead and dye it. So I got some hair dye, and the hair dye that I got is Ruby Red by Adore. I love their products. The color payoff is so great. And I also got Pink Fire. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to turn out, but I really like to get a little creative when it comes to my hair. There ain't no shame in that. Now, pretty much if everything goes wrong, and if it goes bald, I can cut it all off and the hair can just simply grow back out, and I can decide to put on a wig because lace wigs are the thing that's in right now. Now, don't do this at home, listen, okay? I ain't no professional hairstylist, but I'm more of a stylist when it comes to my hair, and I like to experiment. I got the Clore Pure White Cream Developer in volume 30, and I got the Powder Lightning. I don't know if this actually has a number or whatever. It's going to be my first time trying to use this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and take these two things right here, and I'm going to lighten my hair, just the roots of my hair. So let's get started. Now, it's actually my first time buying a bottle of this developer thingy. I'm not even sure how many parts I'm supposed to put. Okay, how do you use this thing? That's actually a pretty good question. For professional use only. I am not professional here, and not for retail sale. Listen, I bought this thing retail. I'm gonna take my cream developer. Now, I'm not gonna empty out the entire pack because I want to save some for rainy days. Mix. Oh yeah, that thing smells strong. Ooh, that smells really strong. Oh. Now, before I start, I'm going to wear some gloves because I think gloves would be a very important thing to do. I have dyed my hair in the past before where I actually didn't wear gloves, and it was not a good thing. So taking some Vaseline, and I'm just going to put it on the edges of my hair. I don't want my forehead to turn a next type of color. The bad thing about dyeing your hair by yourself is that you can't really get to the back, but I'm going to just try to figure it out. So come to me, camera. I really like the darkness in my hair, so I don't want to entirely dye everything, but I'm going to touch the front of it and trying to keep some areas of my roots. Oh, girl. Oh my gosh. The color is definitely turning. Quick things, yeah, you're turning. Oh, color just fell on my back. Let's analyze the situation here and see what's going on. So I can see the front has definitely done its thing. It's lifted. I will be back when my hair is all rinsed out and moving on to the actual color of my hair with the Pink Fire. Pink Fire. My hair is going to be like fire. It's actually on fire right now. So I'll be back. This is what the hair looks like after I lightened it. Certain parts of my hair got a little bit different, stronger levels of the bleaching powder. So I'm going to go in with Pink Fire. I feel like I may add a bit of that red because it might need a little bit of the red. But I'll start off first just get an idea on how the Pink Fire is going to like turn out. Okay, so let's get this going. It looks more orange than pink. Like everything is getting touched. Okay, got it. Still going. I'm making sure that it's getting as close to my scalp as possible. Let the drying game begin. Woo! Okay. Well, I'm posting it up so that. Great. I just stripped the power. So I rinsed my hair out after I dried it. Pretty much the fuse blew while I was blow drying my hair, so I had to like figure out all of that shenanigans while the power was out and I had to rescue myself. I figured how to fix that fuse thingy, like turn it back on. I'm so proud of myself. Yay! So I realized that certain places of my hair got a little patchy with the color that I'm not really liking too much. Like this area right here, man. Like what the f is that? So I'm gonna fix it. I actually have some permanent hair dye that I can just like scoop up here. I tried using this semi-permanent, but it literally wasn't working. So I'm gonna use some permanent brown just to like blend it in so it doesn't look that ghetto, because it looks really sleazy ghetto right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of this permanent hair color in my hair. It's a black brown. I just want to tame it down. Like this corner here, it looks ridiculous, like seriously, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm determined to fix this. So I applied about a quarter cup of water in this little bowl, and I'm gonna add some of the powder into the water and just mix it up and take like a toothbrush and just like make it look better, because like from here all the way to there is a hot mess. Ooh, this is what happens when you try to be cheap and you don't want to go to the hairdresser. You F up your hair big time. I just need to tame it down a bit. A little too much. I feel like I should give it about like a few minutes before I rinse it out, but yeah, I told y'all I would get this, like the power of determination. Don't want to keep it in my hair for too long, because it literally will make it turn black, and that's not the whole point what I'm looking for. The moment of truth. I just rinsed my hair out. I haven't taken a look at it yet, so this is actually going to be like, okay, what it looks like after I added on that darker color. So let us take this off. I'm nervous. I hope it turned out well, yo, because I'm going to be so pissed if it didn't. I'll be so mad. Okay. This is better. Like, better. Better. This worked. It worked. You see, sometimes you do it yourself, it turns out to your favor, you know? Trials and errors, you learn through those errors and you try and you make it work. Let's see what the back looks like. Okay, so we got some patches and stuff in the back. There's a little patch right here. I am not hating on this actually. It's not too bad at all. Like the color would eventually like fade and this is the best that I can do. I don't want to change it up anymore. I don't want to screw it up. I think it's fine. This is like really bright. Certain parts of my hair is bright as, you know, fill in the blank with that one. So it's really dry right now, so I need to go ahead and moisturize this because my hair is like crying. Taking my Unleash curls, I really like this brand. This is actually leave-in conditioner, so I really like this stuff because it keeps my hair, them curls intact. So my hair is like really dry and it needs the moisture. So it's still super damp right now. I'm gonna take quite that much and just put it on my damp hair. Oh my gosh, like the cool thing about this product is that the minute I put it in my hair, it feels so good. It feels really soft, like it's an instant boost of like drugs, like okay, this feels really good. I'm adding a little bit more because listen, even though black don't crack, black hair can crack when it doesn't have enough moisture in it. So I need that moisture. Another one of my favorite things that I love to use is the Auntie Jackie Soft All Over, the multi-purpose oil. I actually love this stuff, yo. Like I discovered it like a few months back and it was just like, whoo, this stuff adds so much moisture to my hair. It's also an all-purpose like oil, so I've used it on my body too, and it really does hydrate my skin. So I'm going to take a bit of this. It's a daily use natural oil blend. This has enriched flax seeds, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, ginseng, and grapeseed in it. I'm just going to take just to get amount of this stuff, not too much, you know, not too much, ooh, not too much, oh yeah. Adding that on top of my hair literally just gave it an extra like softness. It's so amazing how just combining different types of products on my hair just change up the consistency of it. So yeah, a little bit more of that. Because I love the Unleash family, the Unleash curls, or the Curls Unleash, I went ahead and I got the Curl Boostin' Jelly. This has aloe vera and honey in it. I personally haven't tried this product yet, but it's gonna be my first time trying it out. Let's see if I can, let's just give this a try. Doesn't smell too bad. This is what it looks like. It's like a blue jelly gel. I'm not sure if it's actual gel. Like, what is it? Smells interesting. So moisture is really important for my hair right now. No word of a lie. After all that dentin and stuff that I was putting on my hair, from the bleaching to like the color going wrong to another permanent hair color, I need a lot of moisture in my hair right now. So next I'm going in with Auntie Jackie because I love Auntie Jackie product. The half and half hydrating silken hair milk. This is actually my first time trying this out. It has coconut milk, flaxseed, avocado, mushroom root. I can use it as often. Clean, condition, damp hair, and slightly saturated. Right? Just spray it. It's a lot easier to comb now that it's like damp and it has all those products. You know how it is, right? Earlier on, yo, it was hard to comb this, man. My hair was like killing me. Going in with a bit of Curls Unleash and Auntie Jackie's half and half hydrating silken hair milk. Let's melt it up. And this completes the look. We're done. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Bye. Until next time. Until next time. Okay, we're done now. Finally, we're done. Peace.